Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest tech products on the market. Today, we have something exciting for all you gamers out there. We'll be reviewing the 2.4 GHz wireless N64 Switch online controller. A versatile and rechargeable gaming controller compatible with Windows PC, Mac, Raspberry Pi, N64, and more. If you're a fan of classic gaming, this controller might just be what you need. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Alright, let's get started. The 2.4 GHz wireless N64 Switch online controller is a game-changer for retro gaming enthusiasts. It offers a reliable 2.4 GHz wireless connection with an impressive range of up to 10 meters. No more dealing with annoying delays, dropouts, or interference during your gaming sessions. Plus, it's incredibly easy to set up. Just plug the wireless receiver into a USB port, and you're good to go. This controller comes with not one but two receivers. One for Windows PC, Mac, Raspberry Pi, and Switch, and another specifically designed for the N64. And guess what? It has built-in vibrations, so there's no need for an extra rumble pack. That's a win-win for convenience. Now, let's talk compatibility. The 2.4 GHz wireless N64 Switch online controller works seamlessly with Windows 10 or later, Windows 8, Windows 7, and macOS by 10.8 or later. It's also worth noting that it supports USB port connections. However, please keep in mind that it does not support Android TV Box, C64, Google Chromebook, Amazon Fire TV, Steam, or Tesla model. Battery life is a crucial factor for any gaming controller, and this one doesn't disappoint. It boasts a built-in battery that can last up to an impressive 3 years. The 500 mAh battery can be fully charged in just 2.5 hours, and it operates at a voltage of 3.7 volts. You can enjoy up to 10 hours of gameplay on a single charge. Plus, it comes with a convenient battery level indicator, so you'll always know when it's time to recharge. Wondering what you'll find in the box? When you purchase the 2.4 GHz wireless N64 Switch online controller, you'll get the wireless controller itself, the USB receiver, the N64 receiver, a charging cable, and a user manual. Everything you need for an epic gaming experience. In conclusion, the 2.4 GHz wireless N64 Switch online controller is a fantastic choice for gamers who want a versatile, wireless controller for their gaming needs. It offers reliability, compatibility, and an impressive battery life. While there have been some isolated issues, the overall feedback from users has been positive. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in purchasing this controller, you can find the link in the description below. And if you've used this controller yourself, be sure to share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next review. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech reviews. Until next time, happy gaming!